Cold-pressed oils, Part 4. You have to know why cold-pressed oils are better than processed ones and contain more nutrients and antioxidants than refined oils. It is also important to store them in a cool, dark place to prevent oxidation and rancidity. Let's get to know some more of these oils. Cold-pressed avocado oil. This oil is extracted from the pulp of the avocado and cold-pressed to maintain its nutrients and flavor. It is rich in monounsaturated fatty acids, vitamin E, and antioxidants, making it beneficial for skin and hair. Cold-pressed sesame oil. This oil is extracted from sesame seeds and cold-pressed to maintain its nutrients and flavor. It is rich in linoleic acid, antioxidants, and vitamin E, making it beneficial for skin and heart health. Cold-pressed flaxseed oil. This oil is extracted from flax seeds and cold-pressed to maintain its nutrients and flavor. It is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are believed to help reduce inflammation and maintain cardiovascular health. If you liked this information and you think it can also be useful to someone else, do not hesitate to share it. Thanks for following us. See you in the next video.